Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two dryer cleaners. So on the left, I got the Holikme and the Sealegend. There's what that looks like. And this is what this looks like. Now they look kind of the same, but they do have some differences. So this one here has a little bit longer brush. Now the brushes are about the same. The bristles are kind of stiff but soft. This one, the brush is not quite as long, but it does have this little rubber tip on the end that I like. Over here, they both slip onto a vacuum cleaner very easy. They've got kind of like some different seals. This one is a little bit longer as far as the reach of this tube here, but I think this tube is just a little bit better made. They both snap on there. This one's got like this extra piece installed, where this one you just connect it right onto this. So it's a little bit different this way. I think this one's just a little bit more compact, a little bit easier to use, but there's nothing wrong with either one of these. I'm going to show you how they work. Okay, so you simply attach it to a vacuum cleaner. It's made to fit several different sizes. Just push it on there. It's going to seal around there. And then this is the part you're going to put in there. Now what's nice is, again, this is where the lint trap was. I take the lint trap out. And then you got this brush. You're going to this brush has got like semi-stiff bristles. You're going to go down there and you're going to loosen some of the stuff up. See, you got all kinds of stuff coming up. And now you're going to turn the vacuum cleaner on. And then that way we can get it nice and clean. So let's turn the vacuum on. Okay, so again, you might have to alternate, go back to the brush. I can kind of stick it in there, get it all nice and clean. And if you've got two people, you may want to be able to, you want to do both of these at the same time, but it might be a little harder that way. Now go down there and let's clean. Okay, you can see that brush really does help it get clean. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, we can see there's some, yeah, it's really clean down in there now. That did a good job. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.